Mafex Iceman, where the fuck do I start, bitch? Look, the figure is a 10 out of 10. QC wise, I had no issues. It's the same body as Daredevil, plus the soft diaper. So it's the same body as the reissued fucking Mafex Daredevil, which was the first best Mafex figure, in my opinion. But no, this one just took his place. At first, it was, I don't know, but Bobby Drake Iceman is fucking phenomenal. Get one for your mom. Get one for your dad. Get one for your son. Get one for your sister, your daughter, your brother, your mother, your father, your auntie, your uncle. Oh, God. There's not enough things I can say about this figure. It comes with enough accessories to feed a family of 7. It comes with Iceman himself, the Bobby Drakester of it all. The guy, the big cheese, the cold blower, Bobby Drake, my man. Shout out to Robert.